Hi, my name is Phoebe, and I'm an online inspector here at DuraTech, and today I'm gonna show you what I do. So the first thing we do when we come in here in the morning, or whatever your shift is we have to make sure that we look at the folder. It is essential to look at the folder before we actually QA. And what we check here, what we're gonna have to look at is to make sure we know who's our customer, and we have to make sure that we also know what's our workmanship standard. So now I'm gonna show you how to grab a sheet properly. So right now I am looking for dirt. We have to make sure that the laydown is good, that there's no dirt, there's no pinholes. And also we have to check to make sure that the registration is good. This one here, this is what we call template. This is what we use to check the registration. So now we grab a sheet and we put it down, we set it down. We have to make sure that the crosshair are all lined up. As you can see right here, they're all lined up. This thing here, we call it densitometer. And right now we are checking the density. Density is the amount of light transmitted through the color, which can be changed by the amount of ink that's been laid down. And this is the chart for the density. We have all these numbers, and all these numbers are from the ink lab. We have to make sure that we have the right number. As you can see here, this is plus and minus 10.